Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So are you looking for free accounting software that actually works? Today we are reviewing GNU Cash, the open source solution for managing your finances. But is it the right choice for you? Let's just get right into it and review this app. So GNU Cash basically offers double entry accounting. It is great for freelancers, small businesses, but the old school interface isn't as modern as QuickBooks or Zoho Books, so expecting a learning curve if you're new to bookkeeping. If you talk about customization and all the features, since it's open source, you get complete control over features and reports. It supports multiple currencies, invoicing, and budgeting, but lacks cloud syncing, which might be a deal breaker for some users. Now, the SEO and growth adjustments of GNU Cash is of great personal and soft business finances. It tracks income, expenses, investments, and even stock portfolios. If you talk about pricing, basically it's completely free. There is no subscriptions, no hidden fees. But since it's community driven, so support is limited, meaning you'll have to rely on forums and documentation for helps. So if you want a free, powerful accounting tool and you don't mind the basic interface, GNU Cache is such solid choice. But if you need an automation, cloud access for customer supports, QuickBooks or Wave might be a better option. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.